unlike last time, if it's raining, if there are umbrellas, this unfortunately is London. This is Sunday, the 3rd of June. This is all part of the Thames Diamond Jubilee pageant. I have to say that since I've been back for 12 days, the weather has been absolutely superb every single day until 2 days ago. And today is worse than yesterday. And it's just a shame. You can see a big screen sort of video there, what's happening on the water. So let's bear left. And because I really don't want this camera to get wet, I'm gonna talk